students, welcome to Vikramas Edutech. Yes student, today we will discuss about carbon. What is carbon and what is the importance of carbon and what is the compound of the carbon? Yes student, what is carbon? Yes, the symbol of carbon, C, atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2,4. Means carbon have 4 electron into its outermost cell. So carbon is known as tetravalent. Tetra means 4. Valent means valency. The element which have 4 valency, that is known as tetravalent. Yes student, we know very well carbon have a unique capacity of catenation. What do you mean by catenation? Catenation means self-linking capacity. Carbon can join in the straight line. Carbon can form branches as well as carbon can form cyclic form. Means with the help of carbon, we can join the carbon in the different form and form a number of compounds. Yes student, we know the carbon, the name of carbon derived from Latin word carbo, and carbo means black rock. Black rocks. Yes student, we know very well carbon is present in each and everything. Yes, what is seen in this one? Plants. Yes student, we know very well plants required carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Yes. What is this one? Coal, charcoal. These are made by carbon. This one, diamond. Yes, diamond is also form of carbon. And in the atmosphere, carbon present in the form of CO2, carbon dioxide. Yes. Now student, we know very well carbons are poor conductor of electricity. Why? Why carbon is poor conductor of electricity? Why carbon don't form ion? Why carbon have low melting and boiling point as compared to ionic bond? Yes student, we know very well ionic compound has strong bond. Why ionic compound has strong bond? Due to the presence of cation and anion. But carbon have 4 valence electron. Carbon don't have capacity to gain or lose electron. Means carbon, for carbon not possible to gain 4 electron and form C for negative. Carbon don't lose electron. So C for not positive. Why not positive? Why not possible? Because we know very well the atomic number of carbon 6, electronic configuration 2,4. How many electrons required by carbon to attain noble gas configuration? 4. Means carbon के outermost में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 4. कार्बन को कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए to attain noble gas configuration? 4. There is 2 type of probability. Maybe carbon lose 4 electron. If carbon lose 4 electron, that means it gets C positive. So C positive, C4 positive is possible or not possible? No, C4 positive is not possible because to lose electron from the outermost shell, very high temperature required, means very high ionization enthalpy required, that is not possible. As well as carbon don't gain 4 electron to attain noble gas configuration. C4 negative भी possible नहीं है. Why? Because we know carbon have 6 proton. Carbon have 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If carbon gain 4 more electron to attain noble gas configuration, that means proton 6 and electron 10. It is not possible to hold 6 proton to hold 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन. 6 प्रोटॉन 10 इलेक्ट्रॉनों को होल्ड नहीं हो सकते, इसीलिए कार्बन जो है वो आयंस नहीं बनते. कटायन एंड अनायन ऑफ द कार्बन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो how the carbon attain noble gas configuration? Then carbon attain configuration, noble gas configuration by sharing of electron. What do you mean by sharing of electron? Which type of bond form after the sharing of electron? Yes, the name of that bond which are formed by the sharing of electron, that is known as covalent bond. Covalent bond means the bond which are formed by the sharing of electron. Yes, student, listen carefully. Only hydrogen have one valence electron. Hydrogen required one more electron to attain noble gas configuration. Means hydrogen के पास one electron है. Hydrogen required one more electron to attain helium gas noble gas configuration. But except hydrogen, remaining element required to complete 8 electron into outermost shell to attain noble gas configuration. Look, hydrogen. Yes, student, we know hydrogen atom have one electron into its outermost shell. How many electrons required by the hydrogen to attain noble gas configuration? Yes, single electron. So both hydrogen atom share one electron, and this hydrogen have 2 electron. Same, this hydrogen atom also have 2 electron. In this way, they form a single bond. Single bond means when both atoms share one electron. Now we will discuss about the CO2. Yes, students, we know very well carbon. The atomic number of carbon 6, electronic configuration 2, 4. How many electrons required carbon to attain noble gas configuration? 4. And oxygen, atomic number 8, electronic configuration 2, 6. Oxygen required how many? 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 this case. So now oxygen have how many electron? 8. This oxygen atom have 8 and carbon also have 8. In this way, these atoms shared electron and all achieve their noble gas configuration. In both sides, they share 2 electron. In this way, 2 double bond form in the CO2. Yes, now we will discuss about Cl2, chlorine. Yes, students, we know very well the atomic number of chlorine 17, electronic configuration 287. How many electrons required by the chlorine atom to attain noble gas configuration? Yes, very good. Only single electron. If chlorine gain 1 electron, then its outermost complete. Means chlorine attain noble gas configuration. Chlorine have 7 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same. This chlorine atom also have 7. So they share one electron and they form chlorine single bond. Yes. Now we will discuss which type of bond form in the oxygen molecule. Oxygen gas. Yes, we know very well in oxygen gas how many atoms? 2. Means oxygen molecule is diatomic. Di means 2. Atomic means atom. In oxygen gas, we have 2 molecules. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. Its electronic configuration 2, 6. How many electrons required by the oxygen to attain noble gas configuration? Yes, 2, 6. Yes, only 2. Why only 2? Because oxygen already have 6 electrons into its outermost shell. If oxygen gain how many? 2. If oxygen gain 2 electrons, then its outermost shell have how many electrons? 6 plus 2, 8. And 8 means noble gas configuration. Look, oxygen have atomic number 8, electronic configuration 2, 6 means valence electron 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This one, this oxygen required how many? 2. This one, 2. So both shared 2 electron and attain noble gas configuration. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. In this way, there which type of bond form? Double bond. What do you mean by double bond? Double bond means when both atoms share 1 electron or 2 electron. Yes, 2. If they share 1 electron, then single bond form. If 2, then double bond. So which type bond form here? Single or double? Yes, double bond. Why double bond? Because they share 2 electron. What do you mean by triple bond? Yes. See to the next screen. Yes. What do you mean by H2O? In H2O, atomic number of H2O, atomic number of hydrogen 1, oxygen 8, electronic configuration 6. We know very well, hydrogen required 1 more electron to attain noble gas configuration. But oxygen required 2 electrons to complete their octet. Look, oxygen have 6 valence electron and each hydrogen atom have 1 electron. So oxygen share 1 electron with each hydrogen atom. In this way, each hydrogen atom have now how many? 2 electron. But oxygen atom have 6 plus 2, 8. In this way, all the atoms complete their outermost shell and attain noble gas configuration. In this way, two single bond form into the H2O. Oxygen के पास यहाँ electrons हैं. Now we will see how the triple bond is formed. तो triple bond कब बनेगा? Yes, triple bond कब बन सकता है? When elements share how many? 3 electrons. Yes, student, we know very well. The nitrogen have atomic number 7. Electronic configuration 2, 5. How many electrons required by the nitrogen to attain noble gas configuration? 5 plus 3. That means 8. If nitrogen share with 3 more electron, then its outermost shell complete and it complete octet rule. Yes. So show nitrogen have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and each hydrogen have 1 electron. In this way, hydrogen complete their duplet and nitrogen complete their octet. In this way, there are 3 single bond is formed. Yes, according to the examination point of view, methane is the most important topic. So listen carefully. What do you mean by methane? Methane, simplest hydrocarbon. Simplest hydrocarbon is methane. Formula CH4. It is main component of biogas and CNG. How the electron dot structure, EDS, कैसे बनेगा? We know very well carbon have atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each hydrogen have 1 electron. So they share 1 electron and complete their octet by the carbon and duplet by the hydrogen. In this way, how many bond formed? Single bond or double or triple? Yes, single bond. How many times? 4 times. Yes, student. Yes. Now we will move to the next one. What do you mean by allotropes? What is allotropes? Allotrope means the compound which has same chemical properties. What do you mean by same chemical properties? Means if the element made by the same chemical equations shown by the element, that is known as chemical properties, but their appearance, that is known as physical properties. The element which have same chemical properties but different physical properties, they are known as allotropes. Yes, student. Different physical properties but same chemical properties, they are known as allotrope. Yes, student, we know very well allotropes of carbon: diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Why they are called allotropes of carbon? Because all these elements made by carbon, means all these elements have same chemical composition, but they are different. How they are different? Why they are different? Yes, student. Diamond. Yes, student, we know very well diamond is the bad conductor of electricity. Why diamond is bad conductor of electricity? We know very well diamond is the hardest. Yes, student, we know very well diamond is the hardest known substance. We know very well diamond have very high melting and boiling point. Diamond is poor conductor of electricity. Why? What is the reason? All these things behind this one. Yes, student, we know in carbon, one carbon atom attached with 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon atom joined to 4 another carbon atom. There is no single electron free. So, due to the absence of free electron, they are poor conductor of electricity. They are not capable to conduct electricity. Sometimes question पूछा जा सकता है, why diamond is poor conductor of electricity? Why diamond have high melting and boiling point? Why diamond is known as hardest known substance? इन सभी का एक ही क्या आएगा? एक ही आंसर है, वो क्या है? In diamond, one carbon atom attached with 4 another carbon atom. No electron is free, so it is poor conductor of electricity. No electron free, so it is hard. Due to hard, it have very high melting and boiling point. Now we will discuss next allotrope of graphite. Yes, graphite and diamond both are made by carbon, but diamond is poor conductor of electricity, but graphite is good conductor of electricity. Why? Diamond is hardest known substance. Graphite आप सभी ने देखा है, the lid of the pencil made by graphite, but graphite is soft. Why? Graphite used as a lubricant. Why? So graphite soft. Why graphite is soft? Why graphite have low melting and boiling point? Why graphite is good conductor of electricity? Why graphite is slippery? Why graphite is hexagonal structure? The answer of all these questions is single answer. In graphite, one carbon atom attached with 3 another carbon atom. 1 electron is free. Due to that free electron, graphite is good conductor of electricity. Due to that electron, it is soft, it is slippery, it is used as a lubricant. Yes. Graphite. Yes, student. I explain in graphite, one carbon atom attached with, yes. Smile से पढ़ोगे तो दिल लगा के पढ़ोगे. Yes. तो without any tension, be smile, पढ़ते जाएं. Yes. In graphite, one carbon atom attached with 3 another carbon atom. 1 electron is free. Due to that free electron, it used as a lubricant. Why graphite used as a lubricant? Due to the structure. What is the structure of graphite? In graphite, 1 carbon atom attached with 3 another carbon atom. 1 electron is free. Yes. Why carbon used in an electric motor? Because it is good conductor of electricity. Do you know? It is also used in dry cell. जो हम लोगों के घरों में रिमोट में सेल है, that is known as dry cell. और उस dry cell में भी क्या है? Graphite rod. Making pencil lit. Dry cell में already बता चुकी हूँ. Yes, student. Now we will discuss. Yes. Difference between graphite and diamond. अभी तक आपके टिप्स पे हो चुके हैं. Yes. First point, in graphite, each carbon atom attached with 3 another carbon atom, but in diamond, 1 carbon atom attached with 4 another carbon atom. It form hexagonal structure. It form 3D. ग्रेफाइट सभी ने देखा हुआ है हम लोगों ने. जिसने नहीं देखा वो बैग में से पेंसिल निकालो, देख लो. यस, ग्रेइश ब्लैक. डायमंड सभी ने देखा, सभी की मम्मा ने पहन रखा होगा. ट्रांसपेरेंट सब्सटेंस. यस, yes, we know very well. Graphite soft, diamond hardest. Graphite is good conductor of electricity, but diamond not. Thank you, student, for watching this video. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.